Oasis TV, bringing you a world of programming.
Tai Chi and Qigong are the root of the tree of wisdom. The arms move around the center as the earth orbits the sun. It is soundless and formless. The body must be as transparent as air. All the movements follow the way of nature, like the chime of a big bell that hangs from the ceiling of an old temple. Sometimes, like a tiger's growl or an ape's call, still water runs deep. The sea rises in waves. There is sound in body and mind. It starts in the feet. Always it starts there. A tree that is rooted is easy to nourish.
Imagine yourself rooted like a tree in the earth, with hands outstretched like branches toward the heavens, receiving power from above and below.
Sustained by the earth,
transformed by heaven, you are not separate from nature.
You are nature, always changing and in balance.
The people practice the form for a while. They're thinking we should do the movement more beautiful. Any martial arts right now getting beautiful. But right now the people thinking about martial arts is arts, like ballet, like art gymnastics, make a very beautiful movements.